Funnel are great method to organize leads and track conversion flow. There is a built-in app that you can enable for free to get funnels in your workspace. Simply go to Settings, App Integrations. In the funnel, click on Configure. Let's name it CS. Integration ID would be 123456. Pin on left menu, at position 1. Save. So after saving, you need to enable it as well. Once you enable, let's reload. And you can see funnel icon over here. You can come to leads funnel. To set up a new funnel, we need to first tag our customers or segment our customers by using some query or grouping. For example, I would like to group all the customers whose name has Matt into it. So I will go to audience. First name contains Matt. Let's see how many users we get. Only one. Starts with M. We got 3 users. Let's save this segment. Leads starts with M. Save. Now when we go to funnels, we can add new funnel over here. Name with M. Funnel color, you can choose any color. For this segment, I would be going to use this. I do not need to upload an image. Click on save. Once the funnel has been created, you can personalize it or edit its configuration. For example, I would like to personalize it. No, sorry, I need to first edit it and saying all interviews collected. The outcome percentage, let's say 100% to make them in flow. Color would be green. So we are expecting all the people are happy to give the interview. Then passed. Let's say we can assume that 50% of the interviews are passed. If we have statuses, for example, rejected by admin, color would be red. Good. Add passed by admin. These are the statuses that we can give to the user who has already passed the interview collected state. Add lane. So these are the 2 stages in my funnel. Let's see how we can add people to the funnel. So if I come back to the dashboard, you can see here I have 3 users in the leads. The funnel name starts with M. I came over here. I would say this is assigned to Shubham. This will be assigned to Nancy. This will be assigned to Abdul for interview. So once assigned, I will come back to the dashboard. So you can see assigned to me is 3. Leads in flow is 3. I can go over here and mark their statuses. First, let's say this one is passed. This one is passed. This one is rejected by admin, and this one is passed by admin. So you can see these colors are changing at the same time. Now if we come to funnel, you can see the status. Okay, status is working fine. 100% of the leads expected. In actual, it's 100%, then 33% pass to the next phase, and 66% will be in past expected state. You can click over here, no status. This is the user whose interview is collected. If you say passed by admin, this is a user which has two statuses. This is a stage which has two statuses for two users. That's how funnel works.